I'm excited to unbox this juicer that's filter-free from Celiberry. They sent me this juicer for my honest review, so let's open it up and see how it works. Here's the manual, installation guide, and it even comes with juice recipes. That's a good sign because sometimes these budget juicers don't come with juice recipes. Here's what those recipes look like on the inside. It does look like the measurements are in grams, so you probably are gonna need to bust out your kitchen scale to make some of these or just eyeball them. And here's what everything looks like unboxed in the Celeberry juicer. Look how cute everything is. This is actually a really small, compact juicer, so I'm excited to try this. They're advertising this as filter-free and super easy to clean, so we're gonna definitely test out those features today as well. And it came fully assembled actually, so that's kind of nice because it's easy to see what you need to do to assemble it. Interesting, so this is actually all one piece here. So that's nice. I like when there's minimal pieces to have to assemble because honestly, sometimes there's so many pieces with a juicer, it gets kind of cumbersome to actually just put it all together. Here's what the auger looks like. This is pretty nice and sturdy quality. And this is the pressing cup. And these are really cute. These are the juice and pulp catchers. And look how nice this is. This is actually sort of like a little mini cup or pitcher. And here's the little tool that you would use to press down anything that might be stuck. And here's the warranty that's offered by Celeberry. It's a 12-month service warranty, so that's pretty good. All right, I've got everything washed and ready to go. We're gonna start doing my typical juice that I do for every juicer video. This is my combination of celery and carrot, pineapple, and kale. All right, let's see how easy it is to reassemble this juicer. So I'm gonna put that piece there. Then I'm gonna insert the auger and press it down firmly. Okay, and then the third piece, let's see. It actually has arrows that say how to align it. So that's good. Celeberry told me it's important to make sure that you have the lid open while you're trying to assemble because otherwise it won't work properly. And you have to have the lid closed in order to actually juice because it also is a great safety feature that they did. Okay, the moment of truth. I think I assembled it perfectly. Let's put the lid down and see if it actually turns on. It says to hold it for 3 seconds. All right, and we have action. Let's go ahead and start adding our juicing foods. And let's start with some pineapple. Okay. I like to do a little bit of each food to make sure I have kind of like an even amount of juicing foods mixed together. All right, we got carrot and celery. Let's add a little bit of kale. And okay, let's check our pulp. Here's the pulp that's coming out. I mean, the pineapple's pretty wet because pineapple is wet, but it's definitely juicing. And let's open the chute. I'm gonna do it slowly because I don't want to spray juice everywhere. All right, look at that. Wow, that looks beautiful. It's a little loud, but that's okay. This is actually working really well and really fast. Okay, the next test that I want to do is to see how much I can put in there before it like won't do anything and jams up. I'm going to start with kale at the bottom, a bunch of chunks of pineapple and celery and then carrots. Probably should have done it the reverse with the hard stuff at the bottom, but let's see what this juicer can handle. It's definitely handling all of that I put in there. And there it goes. All right, look at all this green juice I made in just honestly a few minutes with the Celeberry juicer. I'm gonna go ahead and say I highly recommend this juicer, especially because they are offering a discount. So check that out on the Celeberry product page. This is definitely a recommended juicer. It's not a 3-in-1 juicer. From all I can tell right now is it just does juice, but if you're looking for a juicer that's actually just gonna do the job, be super easy to clean, like I said earlier, there's no filter to have to clean. It literally just says rinse everything in water. That is probably such a big benefit to juicing, is not having a whole bunch of cleanup. And this juicer does come in other colors. Right now, I think they have the black in stock, but they also make a red and maybe, I can't remember, I think it might be a white. So definitely check out all the color variations for the Celiberry juicer. And thank you so much, Celiberry, for sending me this juicer so that I can make this delicious green juice. I'm so grateful, and I'm looking forward to using this more in upcoming videos. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this little pourer to put this juice into my Zucro glass jars. If you don't have any juicing jars, I really recommend this brand. I got these on Amazon. It came with this little funnel. They even come with straws and silicone tops and stainless steel tops. But these have been so great for storing a bunch of different juices and nut milks and soy milks in my refrigerator. They're very tall and narrow and very sturdy, and they can go in the dishwasher. And there you go. Be sure to follow me on Amazon and check out my YouTube channel where I share all kinds of small kitchen appliance tutorials. I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing all kinds of product reviews and what I actually use in my kitchen to meal prep for my family. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.